Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, I post ballet and fitness related videos every single Tuesday, Thursday, and now Sunday. For today's ballerina bicep and shoulder workout, let's start by isolating our shoulders. Take the TheraBand 2 hands and make a rainbow from the front to the back and come back again, keeping your back really straight. Bring your belly button towards your spine to ensure that you have good posture. Finishing in 3, 2, 1. As always, we have 40 seconds on, 10 seconds off. Next, let's go onto our hands and our knees for some shoulder protraction and retraction. Keep your belly button moving towards your spine to ensure that your low back isn't being sacrificed, and you squeeze your shoulders at the back and then push the floor away. Your shoulders should go up and down while your body goes down, facing the floor. Keep going. Finishing in 3, 2, 1. Shake it out for a minute. Roll out your shoulders if you need to. Staying on our hands and our knees, let's do some knee alternating push-ups, doing 3 and then pushing towards a side plank on our knees still. If this bugs your knees with the torque, feel free to extend your feet to a full push-up position and full plank position. Keep going. So 3 push-ups and then 1 side plank. Really push the floor away. Try to twist your shoulders. Keep your back straight. Finishing in 3, 2, 1. Relax. Take a sip of water if you need. Let's meet on our seat, however comfortably you want to sit. Take your hands into first position. We're just going to alternate one arm taking it to second and then bring it back into first and open to second, back into first. Fingers in front of your belly button, shoulders down. Open one arm, bring it back in. Open the second arm, bring it back in. Keep going for 30 more seconds. Finishing in 3, 2, 1. For the rest of today's workout, we're going to be keeping our arms above belly button level. So take your arms out to second position, and next we're just going to flatten our hands and push them down. And that's it for 40 seconds. You're going to feel this in your pectorals, your biceps, your back, you name it, your upper body. Keep going. Finishing in 2 and 1. Keep your arms lifted in second position, elbows lifted, shoulders releasing down, belly button to your spine, nice tall posture. And let's go for some W's. So flatten your hands out again, pull your hands in and flip them to the ceiling, and your elbows move towards your ribs. Keep going. Finishing in 3, 2, 1. Next, grab your TheraBand. If this is too difficult, you can do it without the TheraBand, keeping your palms facing one another. You're going to open your hand to one side and bring it back in, and then open the hand to the other side with the TheraBand. It just adds a little bit more resistance. Let's try. So this is the one without the TheraBand, and this is the one with 30 more seconds. Finishing in 3, 2, 1. Don't mind, I'm just showing the alternative exercise so you guys can see once again. Next, we have a plank for 40 seconds. So let's get ready in 3, 2, 1 for a low plank. Finishing in 2, 1. Amazing work, you guys. I hope you feel great, amazing, strong. You killed it as always. Thanks again for watching. Have a great rest of your day. Stay safe and bye now. Happy dancing.